All right, good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is May 21st, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, it's been a little bit of time since we've made one of these Trade of the Day videos. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I am not 100%. In fact, I've had this late spring, early summer flu bug that has really knocked me out for the better part of a week. Prior to that, and along with that, we've been transitioning over a new group of traders from another trading group that we are providing day trading chat room services for, and that has kept us extremely busy. One of the other things that we did agree to do, however, when we folded this new group over, is to be looking at one of their indicators that they used in their trading room, and so we can provide some continuity and familiarity with them. Having said that, our core basic strategies are all the same as they've always been here at the Oil Trading Group. We are looking at entry positions against our market maker level support resistance areas, and then we are looking to cut the losers short and let the winners run, and that's exactly what we did here today. Now, the two price sliders that you see in front of you here, you can see that the P&L on the CL today was negative, and you can see that the P&L here today on the ES was positive. It is this trade of the day, 8-point ES trade of the day, that I'm going to show you on a one lot that is going to show you how exactly that we were able to turn around our trading day in a single trade. And so I'm going to spend just a minute here talking to you about this ES opportunity. Basically, what we are looking for here is a 3-bar pattern, blue, yellow, red, or wait for this red bar to form against either on or before the market maker level here and up against the top of this band. We look to get in today at 37, and we were looking to carry this price down just beyond just beyond this ETH session open price at 28.75. In fact, we had a target of 28. Market actually comes down all the way into this structure signal. We could have held a little bit deeper if we would have liked, down into this 27.25. But as it was, we ended up with 8 ES points on a very, very nice trade today. Now, also this would have been an entry here. We did not take this, but we talked about this in the trading room today. You do see these lines that I put on this chart. So if you were in the trading room, you heard me talk about this particular opportunity. You had the same red, yellow, blue pattern. One tick above the signal bar would have gotten you in at 27.5. So that would have been right here. That would have been at 27.5. My line is a little bit off here. All right, so 27.5, and then the target would have been about 3.5 points. So that would have given you a target of 27 and 330, about 31. About right here would have been a potential target, or you could have carried it up here for the full 7.5 points because you never got a transitional reversal idea here. So today, again, the two opportunities here, right? Very clean, very simple pattern. It's one of the reasons why I agreed to allowing this entry system to be used in the trade room. Again, it's something that is very simple, very clean. In fact, you had another potential short opportunity here right up against this level again. Now this one may have been, because you'd like it to be either on top of this band or within a tick of the band when it rotates out, and this may not have been an entry because that's 3 ticks away, but you could still see how the power, we got close to the top of this band. There would have been a potential opportunity here. In fact, you could see this would not have been an opportunity, but this would have been. This would have gotten you in at 34. Pull back up here. Your stop at 34 would have been 2.5 points. This is actually a very nice opportunity right here. There's your entry there. 2.5 points. Let's see. That's 34.25. So your 2.5 points would be. Oh, let's just do it this way, right? We need to go. It would have been 36. 2.25 points rather. So 34. Which is right here, 36.25 would have been your stop, just above this bar here, right? You would have gotten in here, right? You never would have come back to it, and then the market would have sold off, and you could have had a 3.5 point. You would have had a 3.5 point move on this. So that would have been 34 down to 31 down to 30 half, which would have been about right there, would have been a target. So again, you would have had another very clean move here. So 3 back-to-back moves in a row here on the ES. I did not take these, but it gives you plenty of opportunity to see exactly how powerful this system is for some very large risk-reward type opportunities. So again, having said all of that, I want to show you this 8-point ES trade of the day that we did take. You're going to see me get in. You're going to hear me talk there initially. I'm going to get in on what's called a market if touched order. So normally what I like to do is on these, in the old way that I would like to do it, I would like to get in on limit orders and have the price pass through it. With these entries, because they are a little bit later in the game, I like to do market if touched. So you're going to see me get in on a market if touched at 37. You're going to hear me place the stop and the target. And I sound a little lethargic. I wasn't feeling great this morning in the trade room as we were talking. So my apologies if my energy is a little bit lacking in there. But anyway, I'm going to take the trade. I'm going to show you the entry. I'm going to cut it down, speed it up, put a little music behind it so you can get a feel for exactly what it is that we were doing here and exactly how these levels and this entry system performs in real time. So without further ado, here is that OTG trade of the day. Market if touched, target. $29, but we'll protect before that. 29 is the target. $39.5 is the stop, and that'll be done.